To create Google Tag Manager account, go to the link as shown in the video. Click on create account. Give a name to your account. Give a name to your container. Select web and click on create. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on yes. So this is the main Google Tag Manager code. First part of the code will go in the head section of the website and the second part will go in the body section. To do this, you will have to install the snippet code plugin in the WordPress and then follow the steps as shown in the video. Remove the code that is already there. This is the same code on Notepad. Just copy it from here and paste it in the head section. Similarly, copy the second code and paste it in the body section. To check if code is properly installed or not, paste the website link and click on test.